Hi friends, I am Yuvaan. For those who are new to my channel, I make beautiful drawings. Today we are going to draw a beautiful scenery using pencil and eraser. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Now without wasting any moment, let's start the video. Final drawing. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon with our next drawing, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye friends.